Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that will revolutionize your small business operations: how to develop a CRM system using Airtable. Let's jump right in. The first step is to create a base in Airtable. This is essentially your main workspace where you'll manage your customer relationships. The reason we do this is because it helps organize all the essential data in one place. Now that we've got our base, it's time to create tables for each important aspect of your business. For example, you might have one for clients, another for sales, and one more for customer interactions. This helps us because it allows us to segment our data for easier analysis later on. Next up, let's add fields to these tables. These are the details you'll be tracking, like customer name, contact info, purchase history, and so on. Be sure to name your fields clearly for easy navigation. The reason we do this is to have all the critical details at our fingertips, making it easier to provide personalized service to our customers. Once you've set up your fields, it's time to link them across tables. This allows us to create relationships between different pieces of data. For instance, you can link a customer's name from your clients table to their purchase history in the sales table. Let me explain why this matters. It enables you to see the full picture of each client's interaction with your business, thereby enhancing your ability to serve them better. The final step we'll cover today is to customize your views. Airtable allows you to view your data in different formats, such as a grid, calendar, or Kanban board. Choose the one that suits your preference. This helps us because it makes navigating and understanding your data much easier. So there you have it. In a few simple steps, we've developed a CRM system for your small business in Airtable. It's a powerful tool that will streamline your operations and improve your customer relationships, all with minimal effort. Remember, the key is in the customization and keeping your data organized and linked. And that's all we have time for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll delve even deeper into maximizing Airtable for your business. Until then, happy organizing.